Hey guys, Lauren with Trenchless Pipelining here. I am starting a brand new series where we take you behind the scenes of some of our clients' projects. This is going to span over Florida, Texas. We're going to show you what homeowners are facing and the very unique customized solutions that we offer. So this property, the homeowner called us. He just bought this duplex about a year ago. Both sides, he's renovated kitchen, bathrooms. He's just spent tens of thousands of dollars installing beautiful terrazzo flooring, which I'll show you in a minute. And he realized, he didn't know this, but he realized that he has old cast iron pipes that are either going to need replacement or a less invasive method. Luckily, he saw us online. He called us for a free inspection and quote, and we found out that he would actually be a great candidate for two of our pipelining technologies. Today, we are installing UV cured in place pipelining. Now, we've invested in this material. We've used the older cousin of this material, CIPP, for over 20 years in Florida. UV CIPP is a bit different because we use an epoxy resin that only cures when it's exposed to a UV light, and it cures in just about 10 minutes. Now, we only need 2 access points to install this technology, and specifically for this client, we're able to use a section of the pipe out here in the yard. So we dug this hole. It's about 2 to 3 feet deep, and we were able to cut into that piece of cast iron. Now, of course, we're going to replace that piece of cast iron that we've pulled out with PVC, but now I'm going to show you the other access point. As you can see, this bathroom has beautiful terrazzo flooring. It's been renovated. We have beautiful marble surrounding us. We're going to use this toilet bowl access point as our second access point to install the UV cured in place liner underneath this terrazzo. This will cure in just 10 minutes and save this homeowner tens of thousands of dollars. Here are 2 trained foremen. Now they are actually taking the UV cured in place sleeve and they're going to put it over this bladder. Now this is the UV light train, and this is what's going to go, this whole thing is going to go inside of the pipe, and once it's in place, perfectly in place under camera supervision, we are going to use an air compressor to inflate it, turn on the UV light, and you'll have a brand new pipe cured inside the old one in just 10 minutes. So this is a really important part. Essentially what we're doing is we are shrinking the liner to the UV light bladder so that it can fit inside of this 3-inch pipe. And once the air compressor is turned on and the bladder actually expands the liner into its full position, it's going to pop this saran wrap off, and it's not a big deal. I mean, guys, look at this terrazzo. It would be an absolute crime to have to dig a trench, essentially jackhammer through this floor, through the concrete slab, a few feet down, reach this cast iron pipe, pull it out, and then you're left with this huge trench that you have to backfill, re-pour the concrete slab, and you're never gonna match this terrazzo up again. You have to replace the whole thing. It's just not ideal, and you don't have to do it anymore. Give us a call to find out if you want a free inspection and if you're a good candidate.
Here's a video showing that line being cured under the slab of this duplex. This pipe is now going to last another 75 years. As the UV light is turned on like this, it's actually curing the liner. Now this pipe's gonna last 75 years and look like this when it's done.